Hello students, in previous video we were learning about network devices and we learned switch, hub, NIC card and Wi-Fi card. Today in continuation we learned our fifth network device is bridge. A bridge is a device that lets you link two networks together. If we have two networks, then to connect these two networks we use bridge. So bridge are smart enough to know which computer are on which side of the bridge, so they only allow those messages that need to get to other side to cross the bridge. Bridge can handle networks that follows the same protocol. So if there is a ring topology in one network, in other network must be ring topology, then they can transmit the data using the bridge. So if this particular computer wants to connect with this particular computer, then it will use by the bridge. So bridge is very smart device because it allow only those messages that need to get other side to the cross the bridge. So if one computer PC4 wants to connect with the same network PC3, then bridge will not be used. Bridge only used when the network is different. Then our next is router. Router, a device that works like a bridge. It is the same like a bridge but can handle different protocol, is known as a router. So if in a router there is ring topology and other network can have bus topology or star topology, and other network can have Wi-Fi or wireless network. So all networks can be connected through the router. The router is responsible for forwarding data from one network to different network. If the destination is unknown to a router, it sends the traffic to another router which knows the destination. So router is a device which is used to forward data from one network to other network till data will not reach at the destination. If destination is not found, then router will transfer data to other router. So based on the network roadmap called a routing table, routers can help ensure that packets are traveling the most efficient path to their destination. So generally router is also used for the best shortcut path to reach data at the destination. It searches best shortcut path to send the data at the destination. If a link between two routers fails, then sending routers can determine an alternate route to keep traffic moving. So from one network to another network, if router fails, then sending router can determine an alternate route to keep traffic moving. So router will try at last to send the data at the destination. Our next is gateway. A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. Like we have three types of networks: LAN, WAN, MAN. So if you want to connect one LAN to one MAN to other WAN, that time we will use gateway. So basic terminology is dissimilar network. So a gateway is actually a node on a network that serves as an entrance network. The gateway is the computer that routes the traffic from a workstation to the outside network that is serving the web pages. In homes, the gateway is the ISP that connects the user to the internet. It establishes an intelligent connection between local area network and external network with completely different structure. So if our network is a very completely in terms of structure, that time we need to get gateway. Gateway establish an intelligent connection between a local area network and an external network. External network like internet or any wide area network. Our next is access point. An access point, also called wireless access point, is a hardware device that establish connection of computing device on a wireless LAN in a local area network. If our network is wireless, that time we will use access point with a fixed wire network. The access point is connected to a fixed wire network and it then broadcast wireless signal that computing device having Wi-Fi cards can detect. Using these wireless signals, the computing device get connected to fixed wire network via access point. So if we have some wired network, we want to connect wireless network, that time we will use access point. So using these wireless signal, the computing device get connected to fixed wire network via access point and use network as needed. So today we learned about bridge, router, gateway and access point. In terms of their rate, bridge is very cheap, then router is more expensive from the bridge and gateway is most expensive from the other networking devices.